Smita Dev, and on our delicious journey, today we are making the Malvani chicken. So for that, I have sliced 3 medium-sized onions and we're going to saute this till they turn brown in color. So first, just add them to a kadhai without any oil. Let them change color and then we'll add the oil. It's a quick way to brown the onions. The onions have browned well. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of oil to this. Now saute the onions till they become a nice, beautiful caramelized brown color. The onions have browned well, just the perfect color that I wanted. Now remove this. Now add quarter of a dry coconut that's been grated and roast it till it's golden brown in color. So the coconut is also turned golden. Remove this along with the onions. Now take half a fresh coconut grated and roast this as well to a golden brown. So the coconut is also browned well. Remove this along with the onion and the dry coconut. Now after roasting the coconuts and the onion, we're going to roast some whole spices. So first we'll add a tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 inch of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 5 green cardamoms, 10 cloves, a small piece of nutmeg, 3 bay leaves, 1 mace, 2 star anise, a tablespoon of Shah jeera, a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now here I have Tirphal or Sichuan pepper. So I've taken 15 of these. This is optional. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of stone flour. I had some Naagkesar at home, so I'm adding a teaspoon of Naagkesar and a tablespoon of saunf. Now just on a very low flame, roast all these ingredients till they release an aroma. Now that they've released an aroma, add a tablespoon of sesame seeds, tir, and a teaspoon of khashkhash, poppy seeds. Now this is also optional. Just roast this further for a few seconds, maybe half a minute. Now what we're going to do is add all the roasted ingredients together. Mix this well. Just roast all the ingredients for another minute. Now, just remove all these ingredients in a plate, cool it and grind it to a fine paste using little water. So this should be the consistency of the masala, nice and fine, and I've used 1.5 cup of water to grind this. Now we'll head on with the recipe. So heat 3/4 cup of oil. Now that the oil is hot, just add 2 medium onions that are finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are soft and translucent. So the onions are soft and translucent. Now add a heaped tablespoon of ginger paste, a heaped tablespoon of garlic paste, and saute this for a minute. Now add 2 tomatoes that are finely chopped and saute this mixture till the tomatoes are cooked and soft. To soften the tomatoes and to cook this masala, I'm going to add half a cup of water. Now, the tomatoes are cooked well. We'll add the Malvani masala. Now, this is available online or in any store, easily available. Just buy a packet of Malvani masala. Now, add 4 tablespoons of the Malvani masala, because then you don't need to add any other spice, masalas or anything to the dish. Now, add another half cup of water to this so that the masala doesn't get burned. And just saute this for a minute, or till you can see that the oil is floating on the top. The oil has started to separate over here. So now we'll add the chicken. So here I'm adding 1 kg of chicken. Now saute this chicken on a high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now what we'll do is add half of this masala that we have ground. Let's mix this well. Now the other half of the masala you can make usal for the vegetarians. Follow the same process. You can use kale vatane, you can use matki, you can use masoor, whatever you want, and you can make an usal for the vegetarians. Or you can also store this masala in the refrigerator in an airtight container for up to a week. Okay? Now add a liter of water to this. Now add some salt to taste. Now just stir this well and cover this and cook on a medium to low flame till the chicken is done, which should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Distay na mast Malvani chicken. Let's see if the chicken is done. I can see the meat is off the bone. The curry is ready. I'm going to be serving this with some garam-garam bhakri. You can also serve it with some lovely rice. So try this recipe, let me know, and keep watching Smita.